It is Lynn Bardowski with another episode of Social Girl Live. Welcome, everybody. Tonight, I'm going to be talking about the ultimate lead funnel for your parties this holiday season. So I'm going to teach you a really fun idea to create the ultimate lead funnel with something that everybody is looking for this holiday season. And it's going to take your party guests from just getting to know me to becoming a customer, a hostess, maybe even joining your team. Who wants that? Hand in the air. It is gifts, not GIF, but GIFT. Not a GIF, but a gift. Put that up on screen. Yes, that is exactly what people are looking for, right? Gift ideas. So here's how it's going to work. You are going to create a holiday gift guide. And I recommend you do this. Well, you can do this several ways. Of course, you can go live and do your top 10 holiday gift ideas. But try to create an album on your business page of holiday gift ideas, in addition to going live, because an album on your business page is probably one of the most underused parts of your business page, right? And it could be the perfect lead funnel for you. You could create an album of holiday gift ideas, and I'm actually going to give you the top keywords searched on Google for holiday gifts. So stay with me here. You're getting all the good stuff. It is something that you can share via a link and have guests text you to get your holiday gift guide. And this could be in-home parties and online parties, because at both in-home, that's a new kind of party, and online, right? There's typically an event being created, right? For both. And so those party guests that are coming to the home party, you can say, text me to get my holiday gift guide. And they text you to get it. And you are just sending them a link to the album that you created with your gift ideas on your business page. So that's how lead funnel works. You're giving somebody something in return for information that's going to help you build that connection with them. And so they could literally then go right to your business page, scroll through your holiday gift ideas. They're coming to the party, whether it's in a home or online virtually. And now you can have a conversation with that party guest before they even walk in the door. And you can ask them, hey, what really, what were some of your favorites on my holiday gift guide? Do you want me to add anything to your wish list? Or who do you need to shop for? And then you can do some suggestive selling and recommend gifts to them. And so, oh my gosh, how amazing. Before you even have the party, you are building a relationship with those party guests, already adding items to their wish list, even if they don't come to the party, whether it's online, right? We know people RSVP and don't show up. And in home, maybe a last minute cancellation, you still got a customer out of it. And that's why it's called a lead funnel, because you were, again, going through that process of, hey, I just met you, to now I want to purchase something from you. And then when they have a big list of items that they want to purchase, what's the best solution? Have a party, right? So that's where then you can offer that party as, oh my gosh, you have so much on your gift list here. What we should really do is just have a party. You can introduce all of these great gift ideas and help your friend shop. And guess what? Now you're getting all your presents for free or at no cost. So now you just turn that gift guide into a booking funnel as well. It's a link to the album. So they click the link, it takes them right to the album on your business page. Where do you get that link? Well, you just go to the album. Go to the album on your business page. The link in your browser is the link. And if you're not sure, test it, right? Always test it first. Copy, paste it, put it in another, open another tab, and voila, there you are, right to the album. So because it is on your page, it's shareable. This is why business pages are so awesome. An album in your group is not shareable. Only group members can see it. You want to create that content on your business page with lead funnels in mind, especially for your parties. So just share the link, have them scroll through. What else is happening? Now you're getting more eyeballs on your business page, right? You want more interaction, you want more engagement. This is how you do it. You're sending them directly to something that they told you that they were interested in. And because they texted you, now you can have those conversations, find out what they're excited about, and you might even want to give a call to action for them to like and comment on the things on your gift guide, on the products that they are most excited about. Now, what's happening now? Are you guys with me on this? Your talent Facebook is now, the Facebook algorithm is now saying, oh, this page is getting interaction. People are commenting on this post. We're going to start showing this post in the news feed to more people. So now you are leveraging your party guest to create more interaction on your business page and basically get that reach of more eyeballs on that gift guide album in the news feed. So you can you can literally leverage your party to create more reach on your page doing it that way. So who's excited about this concept? I hope all of you guys are. Because it is, as I said, the number one most Google searched topic during the holiday season. What are people looking for? Gift ideas. So give them what they want. Okay, tune in. All right, so I'm going to give you the top searched gift ideas. You can use this as making really specific albums. So it doesn't just have to be holiday gift ideas. You could do kind of subset gift ideas, really focused on gift ideas for specific people. So are you guys ready? All right, so here are the most searched gift ideas. So of course it's Christmas or holiday gift ideas for, and I'm going to fill in the blank for you. So the number one search, gift ideas for her, H-E-R. It's one of the most searched keyword on Google. And because your page, again, is Google searchable, your gift guide could actually come up in a Google search. It gets indexed by Google, which is pretty cool. What else? Gift ideas for girlfriend, gift ideas for mom, gift ideas for wife, friends, teenage girls, and last but certainly not least, kids. So if you have products that fit any of those top searched gift ideas, you could actually make separate gift ideas. If you have products for men, then you could do exactly what I just said. Do one album that is gift ideas, right, for him. If you have specific gift ideas that would be great for kids, do a gift idea for kids. And if you have several age categories, you could even do gift ideas for kids under the age of 5, or gift ideas for kids between the ages of 5 and 7, and really make it, totally a niche idea. So think about, taking your products and putting them into specific categories. That makes it even easier for people to shop. so that you can say, text me to get my holiday Christmas gift guide. And then they text you and you could say, so tell me who's on your list. You might even send them links to 2 or 3 of your gift guides, depending on the kind of gifts they're looking for. Hashtags, it really depends on the platform. You can use hashtags on Facebook. Some experts say they actually decrease your reach. Some say they don't. The jury's kind of out on that. So not really necessary, I should say, on Facebook. But obviously, if you're sharing that gift guide, let's say you're sharing a gift guide for customers, right? Christmas gift guide for your customers. That would be pretty awesome for LinkedIn because it's a business-to-business audience. LinkedIn does use hashtags. So I would hashtag, holiday gift guide, customer gift ideas. And you can, because it's a link, you can also share that link on Twitter. And you can add it to a Pinterest board as well about holiday gift ideas. So this is taking one idea, one holiday gift idea album that you created and now letting you repurpose it for your parties, creating that great value for your customers. Basically, you're like their personal shopper. That's solving a problem. And then you can repurpose for content on your other social sites. And that's how you get found on Google search, by sharing it and resharing it and sharing it again. And I also have for you, we're not done here. So those are the most searched holiday gift guide ideas. I've been talking too much today. Another tip is to add the year. So holiday gift guide 2018 or Christmas gift guide for her 2018. So adding the year also helps you stand out when people are searching. And then last but not least, and again, I have a bonus tip for you at the end, make it compelling. So the way to get people really excited about your gift guide is to use a compelling title. And so I already gave you some great examples of what people are searching for, but add in a word that makes it a little bit more juicy. Makes it juicy, makes it a little bit more compelling. And if you guys follow me, you know that I always use those words in my titles on my content, whether it's a blog or a Facebook Live video, to draw you in to wanting to either watch it or read it, right? And so who wants some of those words? You guys do, right? So here are 6 compelling words that you can add to your title. Number 1, ultimate Christmas gift ideas for her 2018. We just put it all together, okay? Unique, best, trendy, unusual, and top holiday gift ideas 2018 So make it your own, right? Don't copy paste everything I say exactly. Take a little bit of this, take a little bit of that, and put a whole lot of you into it, because otherwise everybody will have the exact same holiday gift guide title. And Facebook does not like duplicate content. We know that. So you never want to just copy paste everything exactly as I'm saying it. Always make it your own. What about all those people that have that gift list? You're doing your parties, you're seeing people in November, and maybe they don't buy everything that they said that they had on their list. Well, guess what? Now you are creating a whole nother lead funnel for your annual turkey trot. Do you guys know what a turkey trot is? It's basically a mystery hostess party over Thanksgiving weekend. That's why it's called a turkey trot, where you invite people to a party and you encourage them to collect $100 in orders because they're going to be seeing everybody over Thanksgiving. So they're basically doing like a little catalog party. And then they bring those orders to your turkey trot event. And for participating, you give away hostess credits. So if you haven't done it yet, do it this year. And then, you will typically find the more you do it, the bigger it gets every year because people get really excited about it. But you can leverage that holiday gift guide with people shopping, writing down their gift ideas to give them an option. If they don't buy it all at the party, say, hey, why don't you, they only need $100 in orders to participate in your turkey trot. So if they have more on their list that maybe they want to hold off for a future purchase, they can bring that to your turkey trot and then they collect some other gift ideas, and literally they could just sell from your holiday gift guide. They don't even need the catalog. They can literally send that link to their friends who can pick out their items. And then there you go. Now you have a successful turkey trot. All right, everyone, have a great night.